I invited myself here. No.
So many girls in there, where do I begin? I see this one, I'm about to go in. Then she says, I'm here with my friend.
I'm doing great.
I'm having a time with this.
Friends, you the and I love that body. You wanna ball explicit, I swear you're good, I won't tell nobody. You gotta be FF, I wanna see that girl, it's all women invited. Hairdos and nails, that Louis Chanel, all up in the party. Presidents in my wallet, no rules, I'm bout it. Blow the whistle for the hottest. I got it, shorty, it's never too much, keep me doing too much. 10 to 1 of me, I can handle that love.
I fucking want you, you're so stupid.
Let that Gucci breathe.
This is what's happening. Cream, boss.
Then he said, I'm here with my friends. He got to thinking, and that's when he said,
Where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? So go get down, we can all be friends.
who's People Bryson? 2 years ago, I renewed my license. Anyway, why'd I start my verse like that? You can suck on, you can suck on. No, I don't endorse that. Pause that, abort that. Just the other day, I go to London, saw that kids in the street, paparazzi, all that. Hey, what can I say? Day to day. Coming through the club, all the girls in the back of me. This ain't football, why the they tryna tackle me? Really? I peeped dude at the bar like Billy, looking like he want a good time like Billy. Said he got a friend from my homegirl Lily.
So many girls in there, where do I begin? I see this one, I'm about to go in. Then she says, I'm here with my friends. She got me thinking, and that's when
What are you playing? Lower the music.
I'm a diva.
Lower the music. Brian, lower it a little.
Zero
Okay,
hookup.
thank you. After the vote.
You know what I did? Instead of getting a vote kill, I embarrassed myself trying to get vote kills to like 5 different people. I told them that like I wanted that like low key, or I had to tell them I wanted them. It was so bad because the rejection was crazy, or they were too sober to get with me. AK that kid over that my king MC over there, too sober. Like you still, I wanted him so bad, but I think he was uncomfortable when I sat next to him.
Teresa! Oh my bag! That sucks.
I need my birthday girl.